Hello guys, here's a guide on how to resolve the Apple Pay contact card issuer error. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your iPhone or iPad is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. Apple Pay needs an internet connection to properly talk to your card provider. Step 2. Double check your card info. Open your wallet app, tap on the card, and confirm that your name, card number, and expiration date are correct. If needed, try removing and re-adding the card to refresh the setup. Step 3. Get in touch with your card issuer. Call the number on the back of your card or visit your issuer's official website to check for any holds, restrictions, or verification issues with your account. Step 4. Update your iOS software. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates to keep your device running with the latest bug fixes and compatibility improvements. Step 5. Restart your device. Give your iPhone or iPad a quick restart, since this can help clear up any temporary software issues affecting Apple Pay. Step 6. Reset Apple Pay settings. Head over to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay, then turn off Apple Pay and deactivate your cards. Then restart your device and reactivate your wallet settings. Step 7. Reach out to Apple support. If the error still isn't resolved, contact Apple support directly through their official website or support app for further troubleshooting. Note that this guide follows legit and authorized methods only. No hacks, no shitty workarounds. Complies with YouTube's content policies and legal guidelines to keep your account safe and secure. And that would be all for today's quick guide. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.